Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the Portimao Blue G20 3 Series Msport here at Your Next Car. So of course we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the car whilst talking to you some of the features and options. Then I'm going to make my way around. I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the car, but once we're there we will of course go through some of the interior features and options. Exterior of the vehicle, we have of course finished off with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. Alongside that, we've also added the 20-inch G20 Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. Down the side of the vehicle you'll notice the gloss back side bars, the satin side vinyls and of course Mperformance decals. The vehicle does also benefit from having the privacy glass, as you can see there, which really does sit very nicely against the Portimao Blue. At the front, of course, it is a 2019 plate, so we do get the very nice new style BMW LED headlamps. Going ahead now, we will make our way and take a quick glance at the interior, which on this 320D Msport is the lovely black Venezia leather, which in the front you get the heated seat function along with electric lumbar adjustment. And of course you get the all new ambient lighting, which is all interchangeable and adjustable to suit your wants and needs. And everything else interior wise we will of course cover very shortly when I make my way around and go ahead and take a seat inside the vehicle. Rear seats on the new 3 Series do of course still feature an isofix rear bench, centre folding armrest, and you now get this lovely digital display for rear passengers. You also still have a very nice black headlining on the M Sport models. Moving around to the rear, we find the very nice carbon fibre effect rear boot spoiler. We have the lovely twin exit exhaust and twin exit diffuser that comes as standard on the M Sport models. Rear facing reversing camera, and once again we'll take a closer look at that very shortly. Opening up the boot space, which has been slightly improved on the G20 3 Series. You now also get split folding seats, so should you find the improved boot space not quite big enough for the job in hand, you can of course split fold the seats to add that little bit more room, which I'm going to demonstrate for you in just a second. And there you can see with having that split folding seat function just to give you that little bit of length in terms of the boot space. And we're going to make our way on now. I'm going to go ahead and take a seat inside the vehicle. Not before showing you the powerful mirror function, which of course can be controlled using that button there, or when you use the button on the key fob by locking the vehicle. First thing that strikes you when you enter the new 3 Series is the lovely BMW Live Cockpit, which of course is all interchangeable. So you can change the centre display to display current speed in a larger format, or a wide array of different other options. Moving on to the professional wide navigation and media screen, which is now all touchscreen. And you can flick between different screens and different customizable widgets for different traffic situations and different news and weather apps, as you can see there. Media wise, of course, you get DAB, music collection, Bluetooth audio and a wide array of other multimedia inputs. Communication, as you've seen, we all, of course, get Bluetooth audio, and we also get the function for Apple CarPlay on this particular 3 Series. Navigation is easier to use now on the professional wide navigation and media screen. Owing to the fact it is touchscreen, you can simply tap to where you would like to set the destination to, and you can zoom in and out by just pinching and zooming like you do on your mobile devices. Going into the vehicle and vehicle service status, you can see there we've got full BMW service history, and it's not due a service for 12,000 miles. And as you can see there, we have got the three recorded services from BMW. And going into the app section, you can see there is a wide array of already installed apps, and you can of course add to all of this. And this system does use the new BMW AI assistant and the AI technology, where it will learn and start to rectify and learn what you do as a person and as a driver. So at a certain temperature, you switch the heated seats on, it'll learn that. You can then tick a command to say yes, you would like it to automatically do that. Or if you switch a particular radio station on your drive home, it'll learn that, and of course it'll then automatically do that for you should you want it to. 8-speed sports gearbox, cruise control, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, all situated on the new style M Sport steering wheel. The vehicle itself has covered just over 19,000 miles, or 19,000 and a half to be dead on precise. So that will finish off our walk around for the very nice Portimao Blue 320D G20 Msport. As always, I do hope you found this walk around video useful and insightful. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down in the comments below, where I will of course happily answer them as soon as possible. And of course I will leave a link in the description where you can of course find all the finance and pricing information regarding this car and all of our other wonderful wide array of vehicles. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. We hope to see you soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.